Also this week we are actually running a big special on the Edelbrock Supercharger kit. So I'm going to take you right into that. If you can see here, I have out on display the new Edelbrock E4 Supercharger. This supercharger contains the Eaton TVS internals, but utilizes a whole new design that was put together by Edelbrock just recently. You can see here with Edelbrock's new design, the air is drawn in through the front of the supercharger, which is new. Most of the conventional style superchargers are rear entry. Well, this is the most direct path of airflow to the supercharger rotor, so it's going to be most efficient. Also, the blower sits below the intercooler, actually in the base of the valley of the block when you drop it down. What this forces the air to do is to push up through the supercharger, up out of the intercooler, and then down the long intake runners into the engine. The long intake runners promote more torque and low-end power. And the fact that the air is blowing up into the intercooler and then just down 190-degree turn into the runners means there's less restriction for flow, which means that the air doesn't get beat up as much inside the supercharger and the air charge temperatures stay cooler. This all results in more power, which for the end user is a great thing. We're running a special right now with the Edelbrock Supercharger kit, a custom tune from JDM Engineering using an SCT programmer, 60 pound-per-hour injectors, the Edelbrock E-Force Competition Air Kit, a GT500 fuel system, and it even comes with the Edelbrock dress valve covers. The Edelbrock kit comes complete with all the hardware and components necessary for installation, including the intercooler reservoir, the intercooler, the pump, everything involved with the cooling system, as long as all the hardware is right down to every nut and bolt you need for installation. The kit is easily installed. You can do this in about a day and a half. Most shops should be able to do it in about a full day's time. We always recommend checking the car on the dyno, especially with our custom tune. This kit is designed really for the customer to target how much horsepower they want to make, and then we'll base on how much horsepower they're looking for, what size pulley to use for the boost ratio, and then we adjust our tune accordingly. So it's really a custom kit for the end user. Somebody who says they want to make 500 horsepower or 450 horsepower or 550 horsepower, it's all available here with the Edelbrock Supercharger kit and JDM custom tuning. This kit is on special right now for $65.99, which is a pretty big discount off of a lot of the retail price on these items. But we've combined everything together as a total package, so it's a simple install and a simple operation to make as much horsepower as you like with your 05 to 09 Mustang, and even coming out the 2010 Mustang. I just want to remind everybody about the awesome special we have on the new Edelbrock E4 Supercharger. $65.99 for our competition package, and this will get you anywhere from 450 to over 600 horsepower at the tires. Just depends on how much boost you want to run and how much power you think your motor can handle.